Good morning. Arru and I are here. It's pretty early. It is just past 7 o'clock. And we are here looking for palm fruit.
Palm tree.
And the palm tree, and we're going for the fruits because that fruit makes a special type of alcohol. What's the name of that alcohol?
The name of the alcohol is called Tuak.
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 Tuak with a hard K. So I've had arak before on floors. This is different than arak, the way they make
It's
it.
different.
Okay, so
Because arak has a higher alcohol than palm wine or tuak.
okay, all right. So
And then arak sometimes it is made by the human, but this one is processed naturally in the palm tree.
in the tree itself.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So it's like a fermented beverage.
Yeah.
Okay,
Natural
so
fermentation.
okay, all right, yeah, definitely different. So yeah, I'm excited to see. And we have a guide here. What's his name?
His name is Batte.
Bate. Okay, so Bate is going to do this, and Bate makes this tuak
Tuak.
every day, or?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Lalo saya komende lah. Every day, yes.
Every day. Okay.
In the morning and then in the afternoon.
So okay, so wow. Okay, so I can see his bamboo structure. So Buak makes this 2 times a day.
Yes.
Wow.
Because in the morning and then in the afternoon.
Okay, let me switch to this side of the tree.
Now he will collect the palm wine and then it will be kept. It will be poured to the plastic container.
Okay, so I see this bamboo.
This bamboo
piece.
is the palm wine is collected inside.
Okay.
When the palm wine, run from the trunk via the branch of the female branch.
Okay.
Female fruits.
Okay, so it's a female fruit branch.
Yeah, female fruit
And-
branch. And then on the top is a male fruit branch.
Okay.
It doesn't produce the wine, but sometimes those fruit in other
Oh, so
places,
now in this
sometimes
bamboo, it looks like he's pouring.
They can cook it for eating.
Okay, so I can see it's foam. It's really foaming out
Yeah.
of the branch that was cut. So that's the tulak.
Tuak, yes.
Tuak.
They said tuak. Now the palm wine has been collected in the plastic container.
Okay, yeah, this is very different than arak.
Yeah, in Arru. Yeah.
Okay, and so what's he doing now? He's stirring.
He's cleaning the bamboo tube container and then it will be put in the same position in the female branch.
Okay.
And then later, before putting the bamboo tube container, the guy Batte will cut a little bit the female branch. Yeah, so this way it's easier for the palm wine come out from the trunk.
Okay.
And then the palm wine come out slowly a little bit and then it's collected in the bamboo tube container.
Okay.
In the afternoon later, it will be collected again into the plastic container.
Okay, so basically it just fills over and over, and so
Yes.
he has to collect it twice a day.
Twice a day.
And how many containers can he get off of that one cut branch? Is it forever, or does he have to cut every couple of months?
2 times a day, and then sometimes the female branch produce the wine until a few months later. It depends on the situation of the tree.
Okay, so it could go for a month or more, you
Yeah.
say. Wow. And now I see he's scraping. He's got his knife out.
Scraping, and then now it slice a little bit the female branch is called mayang.
Okay.
So it's easier for the palm wine come out from the trunk.
Okay. And so all he has done, this palm wine, is he's cut the branch. I mean, is he adding anything into it? Like, I guess I wonder, how does it ferment and become alcoholic? It's just from the tree?
From the tree. Totally is processed in the tree. Everything is processed in the tree. Even the taste, like sweet, for example now, the taste is sweet.
Yeah.
A few
okay.
hours later will be normal, and then in the afternoon will be a little bit sour.
Okay. Do people prefer it sweet or sour?
It depends, but normally the like local people like drinking the normal one, not
Okay.
sweet, not sour.
Okay, so kind of the in between.
Yeah, in between.
Hours. And
And then for the sweet one is the palm wine is very sweet. Sometimes family process it to make palm sugar.
oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what they'll use when you have the palm sugar. It
Yeah.
comes from this.
Right.
Oh,
right.
wow. So how old are people when they start drinking palm wine for the first time? Do children drink this?
Yeah,
or-
sometimes children drink it. Depends on the situation.
Okay, of the family. Okay, but it's not uncommon to have a
Yeah, in the
younger.
common. Yeah.
Okay.
For drinking beer, I think for the child it's not good for the children.
Right,
But for
beer.
the palm wine is okay, but they have to limit to drink it.
Okay. So when we say children, do you mean like 10-year-olds or 5-year-old, like little children, or are we talking like?
Yeah, little children, the teenagers, adult people.
Okay,
both.
sort of all ages.
Yeah,
We'll
all
drink
ages.
palm wine, but
Yeah.
obviously children would
Even
drink.
sometimes, the women like drinking palm wine, but the sweet one.
Okay. All right. Sure.
The-
Yeah. Sweeter flavors.
Yeah, flavors. Yeah.
Okay. So now he has put the bamboo back on.
Yeah,
the
back
bamboo is gonna catch the drips,
Yes.
and that'll fill up again by the afternoon, and he'll
Yeah, in the
collect.
afternoon, and also because of the palm wine come out slowly from the female trunk, female branch, female fruit branch. So it's collected a few hours. So in the afternoon, like at 4 or 5 p.m.
Okay.
But the guy will climb up there again to collect the palm wine into the plastic container
Okay.
for drinking or for sale. Depends on him.
Oh, for drinking or for sale.
Depends.
And
on
where would he sell? Like at the market or just to neighbors? How does that work?
He sell his palm wine around here.
Okay.
The neighbor.
Into
his neighbor.
the local community.
Yeah, and neighbor. His
Neighbors.
neighbor.
Okay.
Neighbors.
Okay. I wonder, does he ever trade or barter? Like, will he trade palm wine for like eggs or
Yeah.
something like that? Okay.
Yeah.
That's common.
It's
Like
common.
trading. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. I was thinking like, oh, I should shoot up that ladder and take a closer look, but yeah, that's no. And that's got to be at least a gallon. How many liters would you say that is?
Pira liter to? 6 liters.
6 liters. And that was just since yesterday.
Yeah.
Wow, 6 liters.
Since last night.
Yeah, since last night. And how much will he collect this afternoon from this tree? About the
Pira
same?
ke makarin na dak oto pira liter.
Maari 5 liter na koton.
So only
Sala bong kielo.
5 liters in the afternoon because of it's different in the
The time
in the
stretch.
times
Mm.
that in the night or in the day.
Okay. All right, so what happens now for him? So this is a totally done product. Does he
Yeah.
filter it or does he strain it
Yato
or
ladi
anything?
balog ra kato ato langsung ra kaladi.
Di balak po masih din ito nang.
Now he will sell it soon.
Okay. All right.
Also, if somebody hasn't buy it, is for drinking later after he works hard.
Okay.
Or tonight, it depends.
Okay. So do people come to his house to buy it or does he travel?
Sara kada jolu banwa tonal dito
Yeah.
nito. Yes.
Okay, so
The
people come
people
here.
come to his house to buy the palm wine.
Okay. And do they buy it by the liter or by a water bottle?
The kettle.
Okay.
One kettle is the sipira misa chere ito.
10,000.
So the one kettle sipira liter to misa chere ito.
Ah, maganda to maalim day.
Misa ale.
Maalim misa liter.
So 1 liter
Mm-hmm.
in one not so big kettle
Right.
is for 1 liter.
Okay.
So its price is 10,000.
Okay, 10,000 for a full liter.
1 liter.
And then do people drink a liter at a time, or are they drinking like little cups?
Little cup. Depends sometimes. For example, at the funeral ceremony
Yeah, a lot.
or new house ceremony, depends. Sometimes people use bamboo.
Okay, I see.
Bamboo tube container for as a traditional glass.
Can we see the kettles? Like, is that something he could show us? Because
Kettle?
he's gonna divide it into kettles now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go to his house.
Oh, great! That'd be great. All right. Well, we'll work our way to his house now and kind of see some more of this process. So Bate has now invited us into his house, and so we can kind of see some more of the process here. And he's got the usual kind of dogs and chickens. I'm friend dog. No problem. All right, so into the... Should I take my shoes off? Okay. So here is his kitchen setup. And how long has he lived here?
The palaman you mean?
No, how long has he lived in this house?
Sanga pa mo to roaming dito.
Mambay layo 20 tahun.
Oh, more than 20 years.
20 years here.
Because he has got children.
Oh, children.
Talo.
He has got 3 children.
3 children. Okay. Do they also live in this area?
Turor kate min dito may anak.
Bisa marator.
Oh, only 1 child live with him.
Okay. All right. And the others have gone off.
Yeah.
Okay. And so now he's running the palm wine through the filter.
Nalay mo kalian to.
Filter. Yeah.
Do you know the alcohol percentage in something like this?
7%.
7%.
But now is 3%.
Okay.
In the midday later will be 4%.
Okay, it
In the
increases.
afternoon will be 7%.
Okay, wow. That's not low. I mean, that's a pretty tasty tasty beverage. So right now it's sitting around 3%, but as the day goes and it settles, you're saying the alcohol content sort of rises.
And then sometimes the taste for the sweet one, early in the morning sometimes it's sweet, and then later in the midday will be normal, and then the afternoon a little bit sour. And the alcohol will be higher and higher a bit.
Okay, so the longer it sits,
not until 20 or 30% alcohol. No, only until 7%.
Okay, so it stops around 7%.
Yeah.
And that'll be a few hours from now,
A few
where it
hours,
just kind of
yeah,
grows.
yeah.
Interesting, very fascinating.
This is the kado present for you.
Oh,
For tonight.
oh, the whole kettle we can take.
Yeah.
Excellent.
If you want, there ka betalo mi tale.
Oh, ada ya.
Yeah.
Yang tukar ko sa tanan kamo.
This is for collecting the palamuan too.
Okay, so he'll take
Yeah,
he'll take these jugs upstairs, and we can take the kettle and just return it. That's fine. He doesn't.
What?
Whatever's easiest for him.
You can keep it in your room for
Okay.
if you want to drink it tonight.
Okay, fair enough. Terima kasih. So by tonight it'll be even stronger.
Yeah.
And
But
how-
Arak is
Arak
has
is
a higher.
Yeah. Yes. So how many people will come and visit him today to purchase? Like 1 or 2, or will he see maybe 10 or 15 people or more?
Ele sa pira to biasa sa ito mangiu biasa kyan.
Oh, taano man tanto.
Depends on the situation. Sometimes 5 people, sometimes 8 people.
Okay.
Normally they are guys,
Sure.
no women.
Oh,
No
all right.
women stay at home in the night.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. And
And then sometimes when the guys, like adult people, come here, like the parents, all men, they come here to drink. Hindi tayo mangira to yo.
Ay biasin dito.
Sometimes the local people, his neighbor come to drink his palm wine, but they pay him because they buy the palm wine, and then sometimes his neighbor, talk with him. Sometimes they sing a song for the young people, young
Okay.
boys. Yeah,
He plays guitar?
sometimes yeah,
Oh, very
young
nice.
boys.
Yeah, yeah.
But sometimes young boys like to look for the same age. So
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
So I understand that. You know, you
Yeah.
kind of come,
Yeah.
you don't normally just like grab and go. You
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
hang out, tell stories, sing songs, and
sing a song
Yeah.
while drinking palm wine.
sure. Speaking of drinking, can we sample some of it right now? Is that okay?
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to have some as well? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like
Yeah.
bisa pa sang pirimnya deh lakucan.
Okay, so now Pak is going to pour some palm wine. Now we'll have a direct taste. Now this is a little bit lower alcohol. It's after it sits for a while that it becomes more alcoholic. So it is about
Would you like
7:45
to
in the morning.
try?
Sure. Oh, absolutely. Terima kasih. Terima kasih, Pak. Thank you. Now I don't just go whoosh, right?
No,
Okay.
slowly.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I made that mistake before where I took about this much and I shot arak. Oh. Wasn't feeling good. This one I've learned. Boulay learns. That is so good.
What taste is it?
Okay, to me, it tastes a bit tart. So it's
bitter,
a little bitter, but not in a bad way. Very good. It tastes to me sort of like I can taste the fermented. It reminds me of like a fermented fruit, obviously. Like I
Right.
think of like apple cider vinegar or something.
Yeah, but
It's
ang alori
easy
dapat na
drinking.
namelo.
Mantung berperan sa kantong tanik.
Agak-agak sedikit mapait tapi melo.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, enak, enak pa.
Yeah.
It's very
Smell
good.
fragrant, eh?
Yeah, it smells very good. Yeah, it's a very easy drinking alcohol. So I can feel the fermented flavor on my tongue. You know, in a
Yeah,
good in a good way. It's good, Pot. Very good. Yeah,
Melo,
mellow, smooth,
melo. It means good.
mellow. Mellow, very mellow. Well, this is a delicious drink to come out here. Terima kasih, Pak, for taking the time to show me. So just in exchange, in trade, instead of money, we're going to trade a few packs of cigarettes for Pak's time. Yeah. Terima kasih, Pak.
Ya sama-sama.
So thank you. Thank you so much. And that is a look inside the Tuak alcohol here in the Toraja region. Very, very cool.